One of my customer had communication error while doing the transaction. When I checked the network connections, everything seems fine. It shows all the network icons green and blinking green. So it shows all the networks established in proper way. But when I try to ping, it shows ping failed. So I try to and swap all the cables. Since he has two POS machines, I tried to swap, but still it seems same problem. It's not doing ping. It's not establishing the connection outside network. Even I restarted all the networks, which has everything, but still seems same. So I tried to change from the static to dynamic IP. That really helped a lot. So this is the procedure what I did that you can follow. Hopefully this problem will be solved. To set up static IP address, click admin gear icons, which will take to all the setup menus that you can find. Setup menu, which is number third. In setup menu, there are many setups are available, but choose the second one, communications, which will show all the Ethernet, dial-up, even GSMs. So in my case, is Ethernet. So I am choosing the Ethernet. Once I choose Ethernet, then it shows dynamic or static. So already it selected the dynamic one. So I'm going to choose number two, static IP. Once you choose the static IP, then you can enter specific allocated IP address for this terminal. IP address, gateway, subnet mask, DNS. Then you can check your ping. Then most probably it will be success. To do ping test, go to admin menu again. You can choose number 5, which is diagnostics. Mostly this diagnostics that will allow you to check the ping test how it's communicating with the actual IP address, even its internal IP address. So to check the internet things that you can enter Google default IP, which is 8.8.8.8. So the ping is started and it's success. So now internet is working.